Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the user products on my right hand. This BAB48 sinks and preparations and combination units. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. Entire length of the units is almost about like a 47 1/4 inches in the length. And the depth of the unit is about like a 27.5 inches. From the bottoms to top surfacing is about like a 31.5 inches height. And also we can see the unit come with a full feet at the bottoms. You can adjust a little bit height to tweeze it to making the unit stable, and if they're shaking, so you can just adjust it. And also we're looking at the unit made by stainless steel. So top this one shelvings is also stainless steel parts. It is about like a 25 inches height. We can see they have a small edge, and the widest parts for the units, it is about like a 13 inches. And also we do having the water faucet system right here. We can see they have a sinks. The dimensions of it is about like a 13 and 3/4 inches deep, and almost about like a 9 and 3/4 inches height. And the lengths, they are almost about like a 15 and 3/4 inches. And we can see the manufacturer prepared this June bar on the side. I have a lot of holes on it, so you can clean the water, any spacings on it, and put it on side of the sinks, ready to dry. And also this water faucet coming with you can use in like a hot water and cold waters, and they coming with the PAB connections down to the units. And also we have a 2 doors for these units. When we open it, we can see they do have the magnets here. They help you to lock the door safely. And the inner side dimensions, it is about like a 25 inches in the depth. And the clearance height of the access entries, it is almost about like a 20 and 3/4 inches. And the length of the units for the inner side, it is about like a 47 inches. And the one last part of the units, we can see in the central space have another space. You can put the ice inside. And for the dimensions of this one, it is about like a 15 and 3/4 inches wide. This unit's depth is about like a 15 inches. And the heights, they are almost about like 8 inches. So that's what be the all demonstration information about these products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.